Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving a crucial red heart keyring. In a world of threads and loops, a beautiful red crucial heart emerges, crafted with care and warmth. Its vibrant hue radiates love and joy, bringing a touch of happiness to those who gaze upon it. The intricate stitches weave a tale of craftsmanship, each loop a treatment to the hands that carefully created this symbol of affection. With a simple yet profound design, the red crucial heart speaks a universal language of love. Its cozy texture invites touch, evoking feelings of comfort and tenderness. Whether held in hand or hung as a charming decoration, it becomes a teeny beacon of affection in any space. As sunlight dances on its scarlet surface, the heart exudes a timeless beauty, capturing the essence of simple pleasures. Its presence is a reminder that love can be expressed through the artful interplay of threads, transcending language barriers. The act of crocheting this heart is a labor of love, a therapeutic journey that culminates in a tangible expression of care. From the careful selection of yarn to the rhythmic motion of the hook, every step is a deliberate gesture of crafting something beautiful and meaningful. As the red crucial heart finds its place in homes or is gifted to a chairside friend, it becomes a tangible embodiment of affection, a small yet powerful gesture that transcends words. Thank you so much for watching this video.